Hermes Agent, Open Weights, from News Research, is now the single most used model on OpenRouter by token volume in the last 24 hours. Ahead of Cloth Code. Ahead of OpenClaw. This is the kind of headline that gets dunked on for hype. Today it actually means something. The metric is tokens routed through OpenRouter. Not benchmark scores. Not Twitter votes. Real production traffic from developers paying real money. Hermes is on top because people kept choosing it. For agentic tasks specifically, multi-step tool use, code edits, planning loops. That's the bar. Show me, don't tell me. Here's the raid. The closed model labs have been winning benchmarks for years. But when a developer wires up an agent, three things matter more than benchmark numbers. 1. Cost per token. 2. P95 latency. 3. Whether the model plays nice with arbitrary tool schemas without being fine-tuned for each one. Hermes is competitive on the benchmarks, way cheaper on the wire, and trained to be tool routable from day one. OpenRouter, where developers route to whichever model wins on a per-call basis, is the cleanest possible market signal that this combination beats raw capability for real work. Two honest caveats. 1. OpenRouter is a routing aggregator. Lots of Hermes traffic is hobbyist experimentation, not production. Aggregator number 1 is not the same as real-world number 1. 2. Agent is doing a lot of work in that headline. Hermes agent means a specific tool calling fine-tune. Don't extrapolate to all open models, all tasks, or all benchmarks. The win is real. It's also narrow. If you're building an agent right now, the question isn't is the closed model smarter. The question is can my routing layer pick the cheapest model that gets this specific step right? Hermes just made the case that the answer is increasingly an open one. Subscribe for 2 videos a day. Honest AI, see through the hype.